We have a multiple choice quiz with 10 questions. They each have 4 choices, and a student forgot to study and guesses on every question. We want to know what's the probability that the student gets 5 correct. We can think of this as a binomial experiment where answering each question is a trial. If the student's guessing on every question, those would be independent, and we have a constant probability of success, which would be a student getting a question right. So we could let x, our random variable, be equal to the number of correct questions, where a correct question is considered a success, because for our binomial we want our x to be the number of successes out of the total n. So we have two parameters for a binomial, n, which is the number of trials, and p, which is the probability of success on each trial. The number of trials here would be 10, and the probability of getting a question right is 1 out of 4, or we can write p as 0.25. So if we want the probability that x is equal to 5, we take our 10 choose 5 times p, which is 0.25 to the power of 5, times 1 minus p to the power of n minus our k, which is 5. So here we are using the formula that says take n choose k times p to the k times 1 minus p to the n minus k. And our k is equal to 5. So we can calculate this out. 10 choose 5 is 10 factorial over 5 factorial times 10 minus 5 factorial. We've got 0.25 to the power of 5 and 0.75 to the power of 5. This first expression is equal to 252. So we have 252 times 0.25 to the 5 times 0.75 to the 5, which is equal to 0.0583. So the probability of getting 5 right is 0.0583.